Привет! Welcome to Putnik School. Today we are gonna talk about 10 useful phrases in Russian for your the very first day in Russia or any Russian speakers country. Don't forget to check out our website. There you can find the transcription to this video. You can find a lot of free tools to learn Russian. Let's start with phrase number 1. Я турист. Я турист. I'm tourist. Very nice international word. Я не говорю по-русски. Я не говорю по-русски. I don't speak Russian. Я не говорю по-русски. Вы говорите по-английски. In Russian questions, we every time use tones. Вы говорите по-английски? See the question tone. Вы говорите по-английски? Вы говорите по-английски? Do you speak English?
Zaikin, do you speak English?
Чего?
Помогите, пожалуйста. Помогите, пожалуйста. Помогите, пожалуйста. Помогите, пожалуйста. Help me, please. The word пожалуйста, please, you can add any time to be more polite. In Russia, we are trying to speak polite as much as we can, and mostly, especially with the people that we don't know. Let's go to the next phrase. Где центр? Где центр? Где центр? Where is this downtown? You can change the word center and add any location that you need. For example, где аэропорт? Or где airport? Right? In Russian, we will say it a bit more sharp as our phonics do like that. So, or for example, if you know the name like Red Square, in Russia, people don't really speak English, but some words such as a red square, people will know for sure. So you can add, for example, где Red Square, or где, I don't know, any Four Season, right? The hotel, very famous hotel, where is Four Season, or anything. Где, where, and then put the right place or destination. Как добраться до? Как добраться до? Как добраться до? And then again, you can put any destination. How to get to. For example, как добраться до центра? How to get to center or to downtown. Как добраться до? Next phrase. Это далеко? Это далеко? See, this is a question, but without question word. That's why in Russian we're gonna use tone. Это далеко? Is it far? Это далеко? Сколько стоит? Сколько стоит? How much is it? Next phrase is gonna be very useful. Я заблудился. I got lost. Я заблудился. Я заблудился. Я заблудился. And the last one phrase, спасибо большое. From the last time you remember that we talk about спасибо. But what is it? Спасибо большое is a большое means big. So the big thank you or thank you very much. Спасибо большое. You can use just спасибо, or if, for example, someone really helped you, so you can be very thankful. Спасибо большое. Don't forget to check out our close Telegram community, where you can find daily video and audio messages from native speakers, a lot of useful PDF files, and of course transcriptions with videos from, for example, some comedy shows in Russian. It can be very useful for you to learn more Russian, learn new vocabularies, learn new rules, and practice, practice, and practice again. Спасибо большое for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next videos.